his record as of now, working the corner, is 0-12. Michael Lopez, he aims to correct it on Saturday, and he says he'll get his first win through Ruiz on Saturday. Michael, welcome. Then next to him, of course, is a very young man who is referred to as Gente, or good kid, Juan Carlos Gallegos. Senor Gallegos, welcome. Next to Gallegos is a young Indonesian fighter. He's only 17 years old. He's a champion of Indonesia, Benji Loenmoli. And next to Benji, of course, is his trainer, Ahmad Rifai. Now we go to the head table here. First of all, our good friend, the trainer, the good boy among the Villamores, Edmund Villamore. And next to Edmund, of course, is a very promising young fighter from the Braveheart Gym of our good friend, the former governor of Cotabato, Mr. Manny Pinon, will be here on Saturday. He had a sensational debut in Mexico, won by a first-round knockout against the world #1. But he subsequently lost his silver belt, but he aims to regain that very quickly. Edwin Tapudo. Next to Edwin is another very talented young fighter. He's coming on very, very nicely. He's done very well. He's an attraction on television. He's an attraction in person. Jason Pagar. How do I introduce the next guy? Somebody says he should change his name from Boom Boom Bautista to Loverboy Bautista. Please welcome the IBF International Featherweight Champion, Ray Boom Boom Bautista.
Ang action, no? Boom Boom, we say that he is so confident in winning this fight, even feeling that he may knock you out, but also he can also go in 12 rounds. He was very confident because he prepared so much time for this fight, unlike in when he fought you last in 2008, he just only had 3 weeks preparations. So, unsay imong ikasulti ana. Yang sulti, atong binsayon nga, mas kumpiyansa siya kaayo karon nga mudaog kay naka-preparar siya ga taas-taas na pag-training kumpara kadtong piniri yung panag-abot nga tulo ra ka semana ang iyang preparasyon. So, kumpiyansa siya nga mudaog or pwede kani kuno kaniya nakauton. Unsay imong kabagin?
Kumpiyansa sa ako, kumpiyansa sa kanang saway na nato ni karong Sabado aron tanawon dog kinsa to mudaog na mo duha basta kung ready siya labo ako ready.
So kuani nga emotional ka ini nga maong away no ug dili ba ni maka-epekto niya sa imong huna-huna nga kay naglumot-lumot ka nga mubawas ba? Di ba ni maka-epekto sa kinatibuk-an niya nga away nimo?
Wala man kanang emotional dili na sa kung pili ka sa una karon itong buhaton ng unsa. Pero dili na ito ibutang sa utok nga nang manibalos ka kaya magubay mong diskarte.
Thank you, sir.
Will you please translate so the Mexicans will understand what he said? I figured out a little. That, we'll see on Saturday what happens.
This is, Boom Boom is quite emotional because this is not only vengeance but also redemption for Boom Boom. That's why he's confident also that to win this fight.
I know you've been the one charting Boom Boom's career. And, how long was this rematch in the making? Meaning, how badly did you want this rematch done for Boom Boom? Was it as early as 3 fights ago?
No, actually, when it happened with Ruiz in November, and we saw that he was able to perform at bar, and he came home, and he said he had a problem with his hand. So we went to the doctor, and they found out the rotten bone in his left wrist. So they had to do the operation within that week. After that, we found out that he's been talking about it. I saw him. I was together with him when that fight happened, and I never saw him really so down. And after the fight, I knew that there was something wrong. And he said that he just had to do something with his hand. I knew that it was serious until we went to the orthopedic. So after that, when he had the major surgery, that's when he started talking about it. You know, he wanted to talk about Ponce de Leon. He talked about what happened to Ruiz, and people. He wanted to go back to Bohol. All those things. He went through a lot after that, and people didn't even said we can't go out to the press and make it a reason. Because if you lost, you lost. And I said maybe in time, when everything gets fixed and you're ready, we'll ask for the fight. And we want to thank Team Ruiz also for allowing this fight to
Thank you,
happen.
Ed. Good question. All right. I think that's about it. I don't think we have any more questions. I know the media guys are hungry.